us.
Tell us about this journey.
Yeah, okay.
Start.
Oh, you were in the
Well, the very, very beginning. Like, do we go back 12 months?
We got time.
The big idea of taking a Tilly down a Tinny. I get nervous and I speak wrong, so.
How long was the boat?
Yeah, where to start?
Go by Haley too.
There you go.
No, where did it start? Well, my adventure started
In Cape York.
in Cape York, yeah.
And then so we booked this Tinny Rally back in March or something, wasn't it? So
And what's wrong?
it was our store manager's idea, who got everyone together to book on the Tinny Rally and then ended up not coming on the Tinny Rally. So we gathered all these guys together to come with us, and here we are.
Yeah.
So,
What about boats? What boat did you bring, or how did you get the boats organised?
That's an adventure.
So we had the boat already. These guys didn't have a boat, so their story is better than our story.
Tell us about their boats.
Okay, so these guys back here are from Weipa in Queensland, and they decided to do the Tinny Rally with us. And they last week purchased a Tinny off Facebook Marketplace, unseen, paid for it. And my in-laws actually went and picked it up, and they were like, yeah.
Weeper, and they bought a boat in Chile. So
Yeah. Yeah, sight unseen, yep.
Nothing like organising something last minute.
Yeah, and they're like, no, the Tinny's fine, it runs all right. The guy showed whoever was picking it up that it ran fine, and then they got here, and what was wrong with it?
Needed a full gearbox rebuild.
water.
Yeah, chocolate milkshake came out.
Yeah.
And it took a couple of days to get that fixed up. But they did it. And then they bought a couch to go in it. So
Sam and Cass are very, very good with fixing things.
Yeah. And Nolte here, he was building a boat out of plywood. And he was almost there, but he got too caught up in work. So didn't finish it, had to borrow Uncle Larry's Tinny, full of rats.
Literally Uncle Larry.
Uncle Larry. Oh, Uncle Larry.
Uncle Larry didn't have a cash to put it in the front.
No, Uncle Larry didn't. It was lucky he had a Tinny.
They had to organise that elsewhere. The epic couch.
He found a chair on the side of the road, so he's fine. Yeah.
Then you tried to get a couch off on the way down.
Yeah, these guys tried to buy a couch from a caravan park on the way down.
He were too emotionally attached to it.
Yeah, he told us a story how he got it from
Long story.
a garbage place. Yeah, tip.
He didn't want to let it go.
Anyone let it go. $100 wouldn't let it go.
So you guys brought Tinnies on one truck down here as well?
Yeah, so the fire truck brought the boat, our boat being behind it, and then the Tinny got pushed up on top of it.
So back the fire truck into the water?
Yes, there's some good footage of that. So
All the way
down.
Yeah.
So
So thoughts so far on just cruising down the river and and all the things?
yeah, not anymore.
It's been epic.
Yeah,
It's really cool.
I drove it today, so one of the locks.
It's a great turnout.
That was good.
Crash it over?
No.
Yes, absolutely. The tree. Who hit the tree?
No, I didn't crash anything in the lock though.
We've been in the tree on the first day.
Under the bus.
No trees to the bed.
No.
Since it was like an air.
It was a shortcut that didn't turn out to be a shortcut. We turned around. So, but no, the lock was good. So, yeah. Sorry?
Camp spots?
Yeah, great camp spots. They're beautiful along here.
What's happening here now? What are we?
Yeah, so it's cook-up night, isn't it? At the homestead. I heard roux tail stew is on the menu. Lamb. So looking forward to it.
What else are you looking forward to next 4 days?
The Woolshed Brewery. I've been looking forward to that, and the Overlander pub. The hard lemonade. Lemonade.
I'm looking forward to all the landscapes, scenery. That's my jam.
That's your jam.
Yeah, look at the boys.
Say other words of wisdom.
Yeah.
What not to bring?
Yeah, don't overpack the pumpkin.
Lots of fuel going on.
No, just. I guess, you don't need to bring as much as you think you do.
Is there one cancel thing on your boat? Like, what's the best thing?
Me, probably, yeah.
It would be alcohol.
Style,
Definitely beer.
Beer, Yeah, the fridge is good.
What's the most useless thing you packed?
Probably this stool here. No, there's nothing useless. We don't pack useless things.
Any other words of wisdom, gentlemen?
Like that.
From the sidelines. Gus has always got some good words of wisdom. Yeah. Nothing. Yeah, do it with your mates. Get a big group together, I think, is probably a good thing to do.
I think my experience from having 2 people on our crew that don't have any boating experience, or like not boating experience, but we've got 2 people on our crew that just got boat license.
Oh yeah, I got my boat license on Friday.
Yeah, and somebody else got one like a week before. Yeah, and he's never driven a boat before. So if you want to come to the Tinny Rally and never driven a boat before,
this is it.
This is the place to learn. Just like jump in head first.
The guy that ran into the street is the guy that had a boat license.
Yeah. Actually, but then the guy behind us, who has also had his boat license for a long time, ran into the same tree. So
yeah, so maybe inexperience is a thing. Yeah, we're a little bit safer, I imagine.
Yeah, but it's good to have all the support crew as well. We hung out with the sweep today, and it's nice to have them at the back tagging along and making sure everyone's good.
Picking up the rubbish. Picking up the trash at the end. Yeah.
All right, thanks, legends.
Sure.
Only one. Congratulations for the Haley, or?
Yeah, I also, mate.